Elevate your data insights with Power BI performance optimization. Want to ensure your dashboards keep pace with your decisions? Power BI's optimization tools slash load times, streamline data models, and turn sluggish reports into lightning-fast dashboards, so you act on insights, not wait for them. How Power BI optimization works for you. Simplify data models, use star schemas, removing used columns and speed up queries. Optimize DAX calculations, streamline formulas to cut processing overhead by 50%. Streamline visuals and filters, focus on high-performance charts and faster report rendering. Why choose Power BI optimization? Speed, deliver reports 2x faster, even with massive data sets. Cost efficiency, minimize cloud costs with leaner data models and smarter refreshes. Scalability, maintain peak performance as your data grows. Ready to unlock Power BI's full potential? Contact us today to audit your reports, implement optimizations, and turn sluggish dashboards into decision-making powerhouses.